in fear. Let sheer terror fall upon them who terrorize ones he holds dear. For he is father to the fatherless, defender of the damned, who has lived so faithfully, who has borne a dead man's name. He sets orphans and families so they can feel the same as all God's little children who are not to blame. Let God arise. Let God arise. Let God arise. Let his enemies be scattered. Let God arise. Let God arise. Let God arise. Let his enemies be scattered. See him march out before the people. See him bring the desert rain. Sinai mountain is a moving at his presence that brings shame to those who hate his wisdom, to those who reject his law, to those whose blood runs cold by the ruddy rule of tooth and claw. The world is full of many mountains, home of the nation's greedy gods, but there is none like our God, who reigns with his righteous rod. He returns upon the wicked their intended hostility, as a mockery to all who live not in civility. Let God arise. Let God arise. Let God arise. Let his enemies be scattered. Let God arise. Let God arise. Let God arise. Let his enemies be scattered. His chariots are in the thousands. He ascends to the high and holy place. He leads captivity captive, a slave has been low in disgrace. They have seen his procession, his royal parade of victory, of musicians and of maidens and of singers who shout with glee. To Jerusalem all go, to the temple of the Lord, to affirm his holy justice declared by his holy word. Let Egypt come before him, and the Ethiopians that humbled he may receive them, foes adopted now as friends. Let God arise. Let God arise. Let God arise. Let his foes become friends gathered. Let God arise. Let God arise. Let God arise. Let his foes become friends gathered. Sing to God, all you kingdoms. Sing to God, all the earth. Join his chosen people who affirm the divine and human word. For God is greater than his temple, greater than the worship of man. He himself has become a temple and makes one of us his claim.